Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first one is Qasim Bashir. Ballistic missile has been developed by which country? The answer is Iraq. Here are some interesting facts about this ballistic missile. Iran recently unveiled a new solid fuel ballistic missile named Qasim Bashir. It is a medium range ballistic missile, in short, MRBN, developed to strike targets over 1200 km away. The missile is about 11 meters long and weights around 7 ton. It uses carbon fiber composite material for its body, making it lighter and harsher to detect by radar. It runs on solid fuels, making it quicker to launch and easier to store than liquid fuel missile. It can reach speeds up to Mach 12. A thermal imaging sensor helps it track targets using heat in the final phase of flight. The It has a maneuverable re-entry vehicle MARV that detaches mid-flight to avoid radar and improve accuracy. It can be launched from mobile transporter erector launcher, in short TEL. Oven, sorry, not oven, even from vehicles that look like civilian trucks. Now, the second one is, what is the name of the digital platform being developed by the Election Commission of India to streamline electoral services? The answer is Equinet, ECINET. Here are some interesting facts about this services are the Election Commission of India, that is ECI, will soon launch a new digital platform called Equinet, Equinet, to streamline electoral services. Equinet is a single point user friendly interface for voters, election officials, political parties, and civil society. It will integrate over 40 existing mobile and web apps of the ECI into one platform. Popular apps like Voter Helpline, Voter Turnout, in short CVIGRL, Suvidha 2.0, Electoral Search and Management System, in short ECMS, Saksham and Know Your Candidate KYC will be merged into Equinet. It will over it will offer a clean user interface UI and smooth user experience UX, reducing the need to download multiple apps. Equinet will follow the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 1951 and related rules and guidelines. The third one is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, in short SGNP, located in which state? The answer is Maharashtra. Here are some interesting facts about this national park are the recent census shows that the Sanjay Gandhi National Park SGNP in Mumbai is home to at least 54 leopards, showing how wildlife can coexist with urban life. SGNP is a large protected area near Borivali in the northern part of the Mumbai, Maharashtra. It spreads across both Thane district and Mumbai suburban district, earlier known as Krishnagiri National Park. It was renamed Borivali National Park in 1974 and later Sanjay Gandhi National Park in 1981 to honor Sanjay Gandhi. It covers an area of 103 square kilometers, making it one of the largest parks within any city in the world. The park houses the Assistant Kanghiri caves carved by Buddhist monks between the 1st and the 10th century CE. Now, the fourth one is what kind of diseases MASH? M for metabolic, A for metabolic dysfunction, A for associated, S for steatohepatitis that can recently seen in news. As, uh, the answer is a serious form of fatty liver disease. Here are some interesting facts about this disease are a recent study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a weekly dose of semaglutide shows strong results in treating metabolic dysfunction associated stereotype hepatitis, that is MASH. Semaglutide is a glucagon like peptide to treat type 2 diabetes. It is the main ingredient in medicines like Ozempic used for diabetes and Wegovy used for weight loss. MASH is a severe type of fatty liver disease caused by metabolic problems and not by alcohol. It involves fat buildup, inflammation, and liver scanning and is linked to obesity, diabetes, and overnutrition. It, if not treated, MASH was lead to see, cirrhosis or liver failure. It's such a very dangerous disease, friends. Be careful about. Now the fifth one is World Asthma Day 2025 is observed which day? The answer is 6th May. Here are some interesting facts about this Asthma Day are World Asthma Day 2025 is observed on 6th May, which is the first Tuesday of May. It is a global event organized every year by the Global Initiative for Asthma, in short GINA, to raise awareness about asthma. The day focuses on educating people about asthma, its triggers, and how it affects daily life. It begins in 1998 during the first World Asthma meeting in Barcelona, Spain. The theme for World Asthma Day 2025 is Make Inhaled Treatments Accessible to This is accessible for all. The theme highlights the urgent need for everyone with asthma to access inhaled medicines for better control. Asthma is a chronic disease where the living airways become narrow, swollen, and produce extra mucus. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.